Okay, to create a new workflow, we add the plus. This is the owner of the workflow. If there are tasks in the workflow, this person will be the owner of the tasks. Let's say approve customer update. Put in any description, it's just metadata, and save it. And then we drag in a start event. That's when the workflow kicks off. Remember to drag using the text, not the actual icon. We can drag in an end event. So then this is where the workflow starts, where it ends, and let's just do one notification, an email notification in this workflow. Connect the items together, so by dragging the arrow to the next activity, and then we just set it up. Click on the start event, give it a name, description. It's really just metadata, and then you can give it a color. Typically a workflow will progress from green to red, actually from red to green. It's once again just metadata when you look at current in progress workflows. And then we need to say what type of start event is this. The most common for records would be when a new record is created or updated, or when it's created or updated, so it'll fire when any of those two happen, or when a record is deleted. I'm just going to use that created or updated, and then we select our record. So in this case we can do customer, which means if the customer account is updated or a new one is created, this workflow will fire off. The next activity is our email. We can, in the email activity, set up a subject. This is our body, where we can type something for the person who will receive this email. When the email is sent, the actual record is appended to the bottom of the email, so you don't actually have to put in any other links. It is possible to embed fields of this record in the body by doing this. Block bracket CPY would be the customer name, or if it's a custom record, it could be title field. So whenever you embed in block brackets, the square brackets, the name of a field, of an actual record field name, the system name, not the label, it'll put it into the body. That's only for the actual record that was linked on the start event. But this is all we need to do, and we link one or more recipients. In this case, you can also actually send it to the user's manager. So if you put the word manager in there, it will, if somebody updates a customer record, the system will check what's its manager's, who is its manager, and then send this email to the manager. And we can just make the state orange, so it goes from green, orange to red, and save it. That's all that's important. There are also conditional recipients, which is more advanced, which allows you, for instance, to send to different recipients based on region or whatever type of condition you add. Technically we need to change this to red, and end with green, and green, and save. So this is a very basic workflow. The other activities allow you to build rules and decision trees into your workflow, but this is most commonly the most basic workflow. You can substitute the email for a task, a user task, which allows you to, for instance, approve the change, but that is more advanced. Okay, and then in the update metadata, you can disable your workflow, because right now it is actually active. If somebody would go and update a customer record right now, it would send this email. So it's a good idea to start by putting your own name in there, doing some tests, and once you're happy, you can just change the recipients to the actual ones involved.